In this video, I will show you how to find Clipboard on iPhone. So all you have to do is simply install this Shortcuts app, which is completely free on your iPhone, and then simply open it. Now the next step is to simply tap on Gallery at the bottom, and then here simply search for Clipboard. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply scroll down, and what you're gonna have to do is simply click on this plus button next to adjust clipboard. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to shortcuts and then simply tap on these three dots next to adjust clipboard, and basically here you can simply enter the new clipboard. So you can also tap on it. So if you tap on it, you can simply change the content in your clipboard basically. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.